Okay guys, we got them a dog box here, which it's a big one, like you carry a pretty big sized dog in. For lack of room or anything to be able to do anything with here, I had to put them in here. So I think they'll be okay for several days. Alright guys, we've got the Vego kids beds out here in front of our new shed. We're going to be installing them in a way that kind of fits symmetrical with the front of the shed here. So Ms. Wanda's going to amend everything and she's going to show you how she does that.
In the very bottom I put cardboard because we don't have wire for these, and I just doubled up on cardboard, some old postage boxes that I couldn't use anymore because they're outdated, and just some cardboard out of the Vego box. So we just piled that in both of them. And Danny brought me a load of dirt, and it's about 3/4 of the way full. And I'm going to be adding some peat moss and some potting soil on top of this. All right, this is the peat moss that I used, and this is what I'm looking like here. On top of the peat moss, I mixed the peat moss and the dirt up some, and I add the Schultz Moisture Plus potting mix. This isn't a blue thing. They've changed it a little bit, but it has time released fertilized for 9 months. I put this on top, and I did not mix this in. I just put this on top of the other. I've got the first kids Vego bed put together. It is 2 foot by 3.5 feet, I think. 24 by 42. It's 17 inches tall, perfect for kids, perfect for a garden seat sitting here by it to work it. The kids program is awesome. You pay for the bed, sign your kid up, and look up the details of it, but sign your kid up after you buy the bed, and they reimburse you $50. So you get the bed at a good discount. Your kids get to plant, and y'all, I've got onion chives in both corners, sweet basil in the middle, 2 of Danny's tomatoes, and I'll have to ask him again what variety he planted, and then I have a jalapeno pepper in the middle back there. We're going to see how this does, and I'm probably going to add a flower or 2 in the future. I mimicked the other bed. I put the jalapeno pepper, the jalapeno in the back, 2 tomatoes on each side, basil in the middle and front, and 2 onion chives. So in the middle here, in the future, I'm probably going to add a long bed in between the 2 and to even it out, and put something there. Stay tuned, guys. Check out Vego garden beds for the children. They're the kids program, hashtag Vego Garden Kids Program, I believe is what it's called. It'll be a link in the description. And just check out all their beds. Danny and I are loving them. You see that in the background? Vego beds. Thank you, guys.